Hello and welcome back to the series where you're learning Go programming language. So in this video we will talk how we will set up Go language in our system. So first of all we need to go to the golang.org website. You can see that the Golang programming language, the golang.org, and then you can easily see this big button, download Go. You need to click on that button, and once you click on that button you will have the options, the stable versions or the featured downloads. So you can find any of the download from here to there are a lot of download options, but I'm just gonna go to these one of these four. So you can see that the Microsoft Windows, Apple, Mac OS, Linux, or the source. So because I'm gonna teach you using the Microsoft Windows, so I'm gonna use this one, but if you have these systems you can use any of the system anyway. I'm clicking here Microsoft Windows. Okay, now your download should begin shortly if it does not click this link, but I do not need to click on that link because it is actually working fine here. It's getting downloaded. Now you can see that it is downloaded here. I just need to click on this one and it's opening. Then the Google LLC, which is actually a verification that it is coming from the Google sources, so all good. I need to run on that. It's asking me what I just want to do. I just want to install this setup. So now click on the next button. Now absolutely we have to accept the terms. Now the next button again. Now it's asking for the place where I just want to install the location. I'm just clicking on the next button. Now it's simply asking me to install it. I click there. Now it's processing. Yes, now it's validating the install, and it will take a few minutes to install the Go language in our system. It is pretty easy. Many different languages we often use. We have to use the npm or different kind of package managers. For PHP there is a different manager like Composer. For JavaScript technologies we use npm, but this one is simply the installer of the the simple exe installer, nothing more complex. So you just need to click on the next button and install button, and there you need to click on the finish button and it is in your system. Now this actually have done a lot of things. You can see that when you install it, the Windows MSI installer. So this is how you need to install it. Open the MSI files and follow the prompts to install the Go tools. But the interesting thing is the installer should put the cgo bin directory in your path environment variable. You may need to restart any open command prompts for the change to take effect. Setting environment variables under window. If you actually want to set up the environment variables, you can choose these options, but this is not the point by now because we already did that using the Go installer. Now all we need to verify if it is actually working fine, so we need to make a script in the Go language by now. So I'm going there and I'm actually inside a folder which name is Golang. I'm making a new file here, and inside this file I'm just gonna save it like this, and the name should be like test.go. okay, the format should be test.go. I mean, you can add, instead of test you can put index, you can put the home, you can put the anything like that, but the extension must be .go, and then click on the save button. Now there is the file. Now I'm gonna put some commands you may don't understand by now, but you need to be patient because I will be teaching what I'm doing. Package main line break import fmt line break func main parentheses and the curly braces and the fmt dot parent ln, and here I'm going to type something like hello world. Okay, I have written something like, I have made a function here. First of all, I just loaded a package, then I imported fmt from that package, then I ran a function here. I called the function here. I'm gonna run that function, so where I'm gonna run that function, I'm gonna run that function in the PowerShell. So there is a PowerShell. First of all, I need to write go, then run, then test.go. Okay, before doing anything, you need to make sure that your PowerShell is actually located in a position where your file is. Like you can see that the official, the tutorials, Jerry Banfield, Golang, and there is a test.go. This file is actually in exact location where I just opened my PowerShell. You can see that the address of the file, the Jerry Banfield, Golang, and /test.go. So I opened the PowerShell in the Golang folder. You can see that. So here I need to now press the line break, the enter key, and now there hello world is visible here. That means this script is working. That means we just have set up the Go language in our system. So in the next video, we will talk about some more different things of the Go language. Till then, stay tuned.